Hey there! Ever wondered how some of your favorite apps and platforms manage to keep the lights on, offer amazing services, and still grow? Today, we're diving deep into the business model of a company that's become a powerhouse in the beauty, fitness, and wellness industry, Vagaro. How exactly does Vagaro make its money? It's a question many of their users, and even their competitors, might ponder. Vagaro isn't just another booking app. It's a comprehensive business management solution designed specifically for spas, salons, gyms, yoga studios, and a myriad of other wellness businesses. Think about all the moving parts involved in running a successful salon. Appointments, client records, payment processing, marketing, inventory, payroll. It's a lot. Vagaro steps in to streamline all of this, offering an all-in-one platform that simplifies operations and helps businesses thrive. Before we dissect their revenue streams, let's briefly touch upon what Vagaro does. At its core, Vagaro provides cloud-based software that empowers businesses to manage their day-to-day operations with ease. This includes online booking, point-of-sale, POS, systems, client management, marketing tools, payroll, inventory tracking, and even website builders. For the end user, like you and me, it means a convenient way to find and book appointments for haircuts, massages, fitness classes, and more, often discovering new local businesses in the process. So, with such a robust offering, how do they translate this value into revenue? Vagaro primarily operates on a multifaceted subscription and transaction-based model, strategically designed to cater to businesses of all sizes, while also capitalizing on the volume of activity happening on their platform. The first and most significant revenue stream for Vagaro comes from its subscription plans. Unlike a simple one-size-fits-all approach, Vagaro offers different tiers of service, each with increasing features and capabilities. Businesses pay a recurring monthly fee to access the Vagaro software. This tiered pricing model is clever because it allows solo practitioners or small, budding businesses to start with a more affordable basic plan, while larger salons or multi-location gyms can opt for higher-tier plans that unlock advanced features like custom branding, extensive reporting, and dedicated support. These subscription fees provide a stable and predictable revenue base for Vagaro, forming the bedrock of their financial model. Beyond the core subscription, Vagaro generates substantial income through payment processing fees. This is a crucial component of their offering. When you book an appointment and pay through the Vagaro platform, or when a business processes a payment using Vagaro's integrated POS system, Vagaro takes a small percentage or a flat fee from each transaction. They often partner with third-party payment processors, but integrate these services seamlessly into their platform, making it incredibly convenient for businesses. For many businesses, the ease of integrated payment processing outweighs the small fee, and given the sheer volume of transactions occurring daily across thousands of Vagaro-powered businesses, these small fees quickly add up to a significant revenue stream. This is a classic example of a fintech play within a SaaS, software-as-a-service model. Another important, though perhaps less obvious, source of revenue is hardware sales. While Vagaro is primarily a software company, they also offer hardware solutions that integrate seamlessly with their platform. This can include card readers, receipt printers, and barcode scanners. While these sales might not generate as much recurring revenue as subscriptions or transaction fees, they represent an additional income stream and further embed businesses within the Vagaro ecosystem, making it harder for them to switch to a competitor. Vagaro also generates revenue through value-added services and add-ons. This could include features like SMS marketing campaigns, email marketing credits beyond a certain free limit, or advanced reporting modules. Businesses might pay extra for these services to enhance their marketing efforts, improve client communication, or gain deeper insights into their operations. These add-ons provide an opportunity for Vagaro to upsell and cross-sell to their existing customer base, increasing the average revenue per user (ARPU). Furthermore, consider the Vagaro marketplace. While not directly a revenue generator in the same way as subscriptions or transaction fees, the marketplace plays a vital role in Vagaro's ecosystem and indirectly contributes to its profitability. The marketplace connects consumers directly with businesses using Vagaro. By making it easy for users to discover and book services, Vagaro enhances the value proposition for its business customers, making the platform more attractive and thus driving subscription renewals and new signups. More active businesses on the platform lead to more transactions, which in turn means more payment processing fees for Vagaro. It's a virtuous cycle. Finally, while less transparent to the public, data analytics and insights could be a future or current, albeit minor, revenue stream. With the vast amount of data Vagaro collects on booking trends, peak times, popular services, and client preferences, they possess incredibly valuable insights into the beauty, fitness, and wellness industries. This anonymized and aggregated data could be leveraged to provide market research, consulting services, or even sold to third-party businesses interested in industry trends, always with strict adherence to privacy regulations. In essence, Vagaro's financial success stems from its ability to offer an indispensable tool that simplifies complex business operations for a specific niche. By layering subscription fees with transactional charges and offering valuable add-ons, they've built a robust and diversified revenue model. Their focus on creating a comprehensive ecosystem, from booking to payments to marketing, makes them incredibly sticky for their business customers. This stickiness ensures consistent revenue and allows them to continue innovating and expanding their services. The more value they provide to businesses, the more businesses rely on them, creating a powerful network effect that fuels their growth and profitability. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.